This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Hold up. See if we can hear my car in the tunnel, bro. Damn! Crazy work, man. Bro, that tent did such an amazing job. By the way, shout out to that boy Isaiah for the tire shine. You know what I mean? Custom cars at RVA. He did that. That boy Isaiah got me right. That man got me right, man. Appreciate that. Alright. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here. I just wanted to take some pictures. Bro, I got so much bird poop on my car, bro. Which is kind of crazy that I took pictures like that. But hopefully y'all can't see it in the picture, bro. Yo, bro. Every car that... Oh, my junk just went sideways on my... Every car that I done had, bro, that has been gray, has got pooped on. Every single time, it never fails. On y'all. Figured it out. Alright, man, but we on the way back, you feel me? Hold up, make sure we in 0.5. Yes, sir. We on the way back. Let me see. What's another way that I can get back? Okay, so okay, hold up. We can try to go back that way, but for some weird reason, something's telling me, you know, let's see. Oh, man. Never know, bro. We might run into a goddamn, you feel me? We might run into something crazy. Which is crazy because every time I record, I never run into anything like talk about it. I mean, nah, I ain't gonna say that because we ran into a few crazy cars. Y'all see how, like, I got tint? Boom. You probably, like, I know I could have turned on that, I could have made a right on that while I was red, but I didn't. I just wanted to show y'all the tent. Yo, I am actually in love with this car, bruh. Yeah. Hold up. Matter of fact. Hold up, give me a second. 25, slow that bit down. Yes, sir. We go to speed limit around here, buddy. One thing I will say though, you can go 5 over, but that's like the max though. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. It's beautiful over here, bro. Like, this is amazing. Bro, this is why I need a squad, gang. And I know a squad sounds so crazy, but bro, I need like guys to drive around with, bro, because I'm not gonna lie. Solo content is low-key kind of crazy. But bro, not too many of my friends be like, you know what I'm saying, be like, not like, bro, y'all get what I'm trying to say, bro. Like, hey, I'm on that type of timing, bro. Fun fact, I used to live around here. I would take out to my old house, but I'm not about to do that. God dang, man. Also, let me know, like, what y'all prefer. Like, do y'all like, y'all see how nah, but look, do y'all like POV drives where like the flash is on, or do y'all like POV drives where there's no flash? Because there's a different type of vibe for both, when, you feel me? Bro, when I be on roundabouts, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I got damn, there it goes. No, he good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, roundabouts are low-key like a little weird for me, because like it's a weird experience. I'm gonna tell y'all how. Bro, when I get on the roundabout with other people, they never use their turn signals, right? And then I use my turn signals and I look like the oddball, bro. And I guess, like, I don't know, bro. It's kind of crazy, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Let me know, bro. What do y'all use our turn signals, bro? Like on the roundabouts, let me know. If I'm not mistaken, you're supposed to. I don't know why nobody does it, bro. Seriously, I have no idea. God dang. Hold on, we getting a little treacherous, ain't it, bro? Nah, yo, bro. Oh, you know what? I can show y'all the school I used to go to, bro. It's actually right here. I just got a tent, like I said, so you probably can't see it. But y'all about to see like what school I went to. If you're wondering, bro, yes, we is in the middle. Look at my old car, bro. That's the car. That's the car I used to drive before I got this. Yo, bro, I low-key missed that car. But yeah, bro, we low-key in the trenches with it, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I would go through like all my old neighborhoods and stuff I used to like live in. I don't know. I might do that for another video, but not today though. Alright, boom. If y'all can see this right here, bro, it's actually a school right here. This is a school I used to go to. Heck yeah, bro. Make sure y'all boys being safe while y'all driving, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't, that bitch say 35. So that's what ooh, look at the city, bro. Look at the city. Please don't let the city fool you, boy. Richmond is about as cheap as shit. They don't want to do a damn thing, bro, when it comes to us, bro. This shit is for the wealthy. I swear to God. Yo, bro, if you live here, you know exactly what I just said, bro. Yo, bro, yeah, please don't let this, like, this whole little city view fool y'all, bro. Bro, this shit is so bad out here, bro. Look at that. That bitch sensed me coming, bro. Already put that bitch to a green because there ain't a damn soul out here anyway, bro. You feel me? Look at this. Look. By the way, y'all know my car set up like a monster truck in the front, gang. So, goddamn. So, watch. Y'all go see what I'm saying. Bro, look. If y'all can hear all these damn bumps, like, just listen. It's bad, bro. I will not be driving through the city, goddamn. When, ooh, okay, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm taking like a slight little tour through the city. I ain't even going deep into the city. That's where I'm gonna shoot. Like, I'm gonna go this way, probably another video, not today though. But over here, this is like kind of more into the city, bro. God dang, yo, bro, let me live, bro. Heck yeah, bro. But yeah, bro, y'all boys let me know like what type of like mods y'all want to see. And also, bro, if y'all got some mods that y'all think would be like more better for my car, bro, like tell me, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm most likely to buy it, like after I do research, of course. You know what I'm saying? We not trying to, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. See if we can hear my car in the tunnel, bro. Alright. Enough of that, bro. I lied. Alright, seriously, enough of that. Gotta be safe. Yes, I encourage y'all to be safe, bro. I'm sorry, I said that a million times, but bro, this shit can turn sideways so bad. Especially me. Like, I'm driving. You know what? I ain't even gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all. Yo, bro, I'm driving my car, gang, and I have no meat on my tires. I swear. Yo, bro, I have no meat on these tires. I'm trying to figure out where to go to just, like, knock the rest of this off, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, what's right hand lock. As a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna turn on this red right here. I'm gonna just talk to y'all boys for a little bit. But yeah, bro, quick little, you know what I'm saying? Quick little drive, bro. I'm on some little chill stuff. Goddamn, low key, I need to be going straight and then make a left, but we gonna stay right here. But yeah, I appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. I'm about to goddamn probably pull up on Isaiah, gang. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not that far away from Isaiah, so I'm probably about to pull up on Isaiah. Damn, we are in the trenches, bro. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all boys, man, for watching. Love y'all boys, man. I'm out there a bit. Ooh, what's that? Durango. Look at that shit, bro. Durango. That's what I'm saying, bro. You gotta goddamn, you feel me? But yeah, nah. Love y'all boys, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm out there a bit, man.